is cricket, hockey, squash, tennis, and inshallah, I'm sure with this tournament, inshallah, we have already put Pakistan's name on ATP Tour's map, and inshallah, we're going to do our level best to go a better tournament. In the end, I don't want to take too much time. I would really like to thank Anne, who's the supervisor of the tournament. Where is it? She's right there. We did really Tuesday last week, and without her support, guidance, help, facilitating all our staff, and being very patient with all of us, it's been remarkable. We Pakistanis like to tend to do things in the last minute. And I think you've learned that, but thank you so much for all your support. I think without your guidance, we would not have made it. And once again, to all my federation, each and every person, एक बंदा हमारी federation का, I'm super thankful to you, and I really appreciate सारा काम जो आपने पूरे दुनिया में किया है, not happening without you.